Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. So our tutorial for today is on how to install and set up Vicidial using the Contabo VPS. Okay, so for today I will introducing the Contabo VPS server as our we will use as our server for our BG dialer or call center dialer system. So, Contabo BPS, you can use any hosting or application, or if you have a website, WordPress, you can use it, or you can use as your email server or mail server. You can use Contabo also, and they have very cheap BPS server and reliable. So I'm using BPS from some users that they have. If you choose the lowest server, 6.99 USD per month, you will get 4 virtual CPU cores, 8 gig of RAM or 200 SSD or 50 gig NV, and also you have one snapshot for that and 32 terabyte traffic. Okay, so for this server, you can use it to dialer like Vicidial. You can use it on production, but using 3 to 5 agents. Okay, so minimal dial level, it's 7 to 8, but you need, if you want to adjust the dial level much, you need to um, reconfigure or tune your database settings so that it can handle more agent or some agent. Okay, next server is 6 CPU cores. You can handle 5 to 8 agents. Okay, but you need to also to tune SQL for this or the database. Okay, and for the cloud VPS large or $19.99 per month, you will get 8 BPU or virtual core, 30 gig of RAM. You can use it at 10 to 15 agents. But regarding it depends on the dialing. Okay, you cannot use it on broadcasting or press one campaign. You can use this from manual dial or dial next. You can use ratio, auto dial level. You need to monitor it. You cannot adjust dial level too high. You need to check, because as once your CPU or getting high load, asterisk will crash. Okay, and for this one, 10 virtual CPU core, 15 to 20 agents. Okay, but you need to tune the database settings or configuration to handle it more or much be stable. So actually VPS is not advisable to use, but if you have a low or small call center and only few agents, you can use VPS, and your dial level is not too high, or just 3 is to 5 dial, 3 agents dial level 5 or 3 is to 3. Okay, so that, or you can use it as a manual dial only. So you can use VPS if you don't want to pay on the higher server. Actually, also you can get also a dedicated server from other hosting. Okay, or also Contabo, they have a dedicated server. Just you can look around on their page. They have bare metal server, Also here they have web hosting, domain, less cPanel and Windows. Okay. And then they have Cloud VPS, and also they have uh, BDS. It means virtual dedicated server. It means no sharing on the CPU core. Okay, so you own, or it will dedicated to you the CPU. And this is the bare metal. This is the okay. This is the bare metal. But you need to configure it. So 10 core and dual 10 core. Okay. And they have web hosting and other, and you can check about the company. This is the about of the company. They start 2003 and till now. So okay, so actually I'm using Contabo from some email hosting and some Vicidial installation. Some client they have small agent only and few agents, but they don't much have a lot of traffic. So once they grow, I advise them to transfer it to dedicated server. Okay. So for today, I'm gonna continue our setup. So our main video right now is on how to use Contabo. Right now, I have get the small server, the $6.99 server that I purchased last few months ago, and now I will teach you on how to install Vicidial here. For now, I'm just installed CentOS 8, but I get because Contabo they are now support the custom ISO, but they have a minimal fee of $1.29 per month. I think this is a cheap. Okay, and then to install the Vicidial on this BPS, okay, you need to upload or download, install or upload the ISO of Vicibox. Okay, so for today, I will teach you to do that, and I'll teach you on how to install it on this BPS. Okay, just go here. Just if you already on your Contabo control panel, so just visit mycontabo.com and log in your account, and you can see you will be here on your services. Okay, when you there you will see your custom image. If you did not buy yet upon your registration on the Contabo, you can access your portal and go to custom image. Then you can buy buy a custom image, and you will charge only per month $1.29 per month. Okay. Okay, so when you on your contour panel, just go to the custom image. If you don't have yet this one, you will see here to buy or the custom image, and then just follow the instruction. Then okay, and a few minutes or within 24 to 48 hours, you will receive an email that your custom image are available. Okay. Okay, for today, I'll teach you on how to add the custom image. Okay. From here, you just click add custom image. Okay. As you can see, you need to the image URL. It means the Vicibox URL. So okay, and image name or the Vicibox ISO name, OS type Linux, version, I think any version if you want to add on your image. Okay, so for today we're gonna uh, go to the Vicidial. Download that Vicidial here. Let's Okay, let's just go to the download.vicidial.com. Then you will see this FTP. Then you go here on the Vicibox. Okay, so as you can see, this is the latest right now. Then go to the server. Okay, so this is the latest ISO as of today. So I will choose the Vicibox 10.0. Okay, just right click, copy the link, and go back to the Contabo control panel. Paste the URL here, and then you can copy the Vicibox. This is the ISO name. Then just copy over there, and here select the Linux for the OS type. From here you can choose you can put version 10. Okay, description, you can put your name, Vicibox V10. Okay, and then click the upload. Okay, so it means successfully added your custom image. Okay, and then you need to wait a few minutes, or I think 10 to 20 minutes, but it depends on the server of the Contabo. I think it only takes 1 to 5 minutes. So we're gonna wait. Okay, so now it's 20% downloading, 34%. %71. Okay, 83%. Okay, it's almost done. %94. Okay, 100%. So as you can see, we have now Vicibox ISO on our custom image, and then now we're gonna do is we're going to start to install it on our BPS server. So this is our BPS in New York. Okay, so you need to go to your BPS control. Okay, so when you here, so as you can see, this is your server IP, default user, host, status. You can start, stop. You have a cloud init, reinstall, rescue, and snapshot. So you can create your own snapshot also. For if you can, just this one, they don't have a schedule, just you can do it manually for the snapshot. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to proceed on how to install or mount our custom image to the server. Okay, so just go to your control panel, BPS control, and you can see the reinstall. It means reinstall the OS. Just click the reinstall, and you will see this page. So from here, this is the standard image. So it means standard image is the ISO installer provided by the hosting provider, the Contabo. Okay, so this is the list of the available image on Contabo. Okay, so from here, for the Windows, this is if you have if you installed a Windows server. Okay, and now we're gonna click, because we use the custom image. You need to click the custom image. Okay, and then you can select your Vicibox ISO is already there, and then click install. So they have pop-up warning. So this one is on blah 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 blah. So your file will be deleted when you proceed it. So you need to check if you have files on your server, and if not, you can do, because you once deleted, the data will not be recovered. Okay, so please read the instruction carefully before you clicking the install. Okay, and then now we're gonna proceed to click the install. Okay, just wait and you will see a pop-up. Okay, so they said the reinstallation process was started. It may take up to 5 minutes to complete. Please reload the BPS control page to see the status of the instance. Should be status not changed running 5 minutes. Please contact your Contabo support.com. Okay, then gonna go back to the BPS control panel. Okay, so we are now on our BPS control panel, and now how to install it. Next, how did you control your server? Because you need to run the configuration, also the Vicibox install, etc., etc. Okay, and then to control, you need to use the as you can see, you can click the manage. Okay, once you click the manage, you can get your BNC information. Okay, I just click my BNC information. So this is my BNC IP. Okay, so you need to download a BNC client. Okay, so you can follow the Contabo link. So this one you can follow, and they're using Ultra BNC Viewer. Okay, so one BNC password, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so we're gonna go back on our server. So this is my BNC IP, and then I have already installed a BNC Viewer here. Okay, just paste my IP and colon, and then copy the port, BNC port, then paste. Okay, then okay, so this is now will appear on your screen once you connect to your BNC, and then click continue, and then you need to input the password. How to get your password on your BNC? So you need to go back to click the manage again, and this one, the BNC password. You can create your BNC password. Okay, I'm gonna creating my BNC password. And then save. Okay, so once you save, you go back to your BNC viewer, and then type your password created, and then OK. Once you OK, you will see this one. Okay, we will put on big screen. So you will see this one. So this is the run in your BNC or your server, because they are using Promox server, I think. Yeah, it's a Promox. Okay. Okay, just same this the ISO is rebooted on your BPS right now. Okay, so just do is click and use the arrow down, arrow up or arrow down, and select the install Vicibox or the ISO. Okay, then press enter. Okay, so starting. Okay, so, and then they have confirmation again, so you need to, let me check this. Okay, so for this, they said destroying all data on the disk. Okay, so once again, you need to read the instruction. If you don't have any files on the disk, so you need to click yes. Okay, just enter. Okay, so this one I'm gonna put on the middle. Okay, right. So we need to be a patient for the installation. Don't be rushed, be patient. So for the link I will put the link on the description so that you can click the link below for purchasing for the VPS or any server for the Contabo, because uh, so that you can also help me to support our channel. And so just click the link below to get your VPS and start your small center business for your website, WordPress, like website e-com servers, so you can start, or email hosting your storage server, so you will also get on Contabo. Okay, almost 78% for our Vicibox 10. So, okay, almost 89%. It means almost done. Okay, it's 100% right now. Okay. So this is the actual installation when you do um, when you using USB drive or CDs on the installation on your hosted or in-house machine or servers. Okay. Okay, seems it's working. I did not see any error or error in, yeah. Okay, so you need to wait until it's working. Okay, so now we successfully booted. So it means we already booted or installed the Vicibox image on our server. So the next step now, we need to log in the first login. It means we will use the default login, the root. Password is Vicidial. Okay. So then this will appear once you successfully log in on the server or on the Vicidial. Okay, and then just select your local language. Okay, press enter to OK. Keyword layout, and for this agreement for policy. Okay, and then select your time zone. This is the important. You need to select your time zone. time zone of the server, time zone for PHP my admin. Okay, so for me, I'm from Asia, Philippines. I will choose Asia, Manila, capital of the Philippines. And then, okay. And then you can now type your root password. So don't forget, once you type your root password, you need to remember it. Okay, so when you type your root password, you need to remember it. Okay, but don't worry, you can reset your root password on the portal once did you forget it. Okay, and also you have an access for OpenVPN, but you need also the root password. Applying first boot settings. Okay, so the configuration we made, they're now applying on the server. And for the next step now, we will do the Zyper rep and the Zyper app. So for this, you need to do the Zyper. So Zyper rep, refresh. Okay. Next, we'll do the Zyper app. It means update. And then we're gonna start the installation of Vicibox Express. So this Vicibox, they already contain Vicibox 13 and other, also you can upgrade 13 to 16 later. So for now, we will do a basics installation for the Vicidial and how to go. Because our main, okay? And then after that, we will do the Zyper updates. Okay, just yes. Now, so you need to wait until the update was finished. So how many? 161, 167. Okay, so once again, don't forget to, if you love my video or like it, can you please like, share, and click the notification bell and subscribe so that you always updated on my latest video. Okay, so almost done. So right now the latest kernel is 5.3.18. Wow. Last time is 4. Yeah, it's 4 or 3.2. Kernel. Okay, done. Kernel. Okay, so almost done. So for the setting up, you need to wait and patient. If you have more patient, and then you have success. Okay, so thank you again for my subscribers and following my channel. Okay, so hope you just do share and share, so that we will maintain our channel clean, and um, more tutorial will be done about digital also. Once I have time. Right now I have a lot of work and monitor some servers also. Okay, seems it's all done. You need to go here, and for this you need to reboot your server. Okay, just type reboot. Let's see how fast it will be. Go back. Okay, once you reboot, you need just right now we are using BNC. So later you can, okay, so on the BNC you will see, oh, as you can see, we have successfully installed the Vicibox. Wow. So you will not use any what it is, a scratch installation. But for me, the stable right now, I'm using scratch from few clients. Rocky, I'm using the two, Alma and Rocky, as the latest OS, and they have, because CentOS is dead already. So I'm okay. So again, as you know, you need to, as I told you, you need to remember the root password you created. Okay, that's what I thought, but mine is not working. Mine is not working. What happened? Wait, I forgot mine. Yeah, it's not working. Okay, seems my password is not working. I don't know what happened. So maybe I missed the type. You need to go back to my Contabo control panel and just reset password. Password reset. Okay. Okay, then perform reset. Okay, you can also send this so that your password will be sent to your email. You need to wait and your server will be updated on the new root password. Okay, gotcha. Okay, you need to go back again to your BNC, or you can use, actually you can use already your putty. You can use your putty. Okay. Yeah. my BNC. Yeah, it's restarting, so you need to wait because we changed the password, so they need to restart the server. Okay, so this is our servers. Gonna test now if our new password is working, because I forgot my password. I think I'm too old already. Okay, gotcha. Our new password is working now. Okay, so maybe I will use my putty right now. So this is my putty. I'm gonna restart it. Okay, accept. Then root. And then your password created. Right. So we have successfully logged in. So we successfully also uh, update our password on Contabo portal. So it means it's working. Okay, so we have done the setting up, installing the OS, first login, we configured already. We already done the Zyper rep and Zyper app. So now we will now start installing the Dial using the Vicibox Express. Okay, Vicibox Express. So it means you need to local IP address. So you need to type your local IP address 154.53.48.13. Okay. So we go back to the BNC. So much better. What is the better? This or BNC? How to adjust the screen? Change setting. Check. Switch color. Selection copy. Yeah, that's okay for now. So gonna for continue. So do you want to continue with Vicibox Express install? Yes. And you need to wait until done, and then you need to reboot again, and you can now start accessing your server. So our latest SBN version is 35.8, 35.8. Wow. Okay, so seeding the audio store. This may take a while because they downloading the records. Some. Okay, it's done. So what's this? You need to reboot again. Just type reboot, then enter. And then we need to wait again a few minutes until our server will be online again. So they're using Promox. Yeah. Yeah, Promox. I love Promox too. I have been used Promox almost 2 years for my local servers before. Okay, so I think the restart is taking 1 to 3 minutes only, or 1 to 5 minutes. Okay, it's done. And go back here. Gonna restart. Then type password. screen. So 7 screen running. Let's wait. 7 screen run, maybe we need to configure our, oh, let me check that is the important thing. You need to get that is working fine. Kind of cleared. So as you can see, we only have 6 screens. So for this, you need to configure and accessing now your server. So gonna start accessing our server. Okay, so it means we have successfully installed right now. Gonna do the first configuration. Default on your first login, the default password username is 6666. Default password is 1234. Okay, so you need to continue and then set up your password. S 2022. And the time zone, you need to importantly change also the time zone. Because I'm choosing Asia. Asia or Asia, Philippines, Manila. Okay, then submit. And then we have now here, you need to log out and log in again with your new password. Okay. Oops. Should it is. Okay. So, and then you need to configure your user. Because if you did not configure your user, you don't have an access on the server. Okay, as you can see, you don't have permission, but you can view, but you cannot modify the server. Okay, user and modify. You need to change all of this to 1. Okay. 1. So this is the super admin, super power. Okay. Okay. And then submit. Once you submit, you can now view all the settings. So as you can see here, you have an issue again. The time, I think it's not synced or the asterisk was not running fine. So we're gonna check our server settings. 18.2. Okay, seems it's working fine. System settings. Yeah, it's working fine. Well, here we have an audio. So from this, right now, I'm gonna install and gonna check. Go back over here. We need to check that why it's not. So you only have 6 screen. We already done with we do the Vicibox Express only, and we already update. So our OS are latest. Okay, so from here I will try to run. Let me see on the Chrome. Let me check the keep alive. And let's see what will happen. We have now run. Okay, so from this we're gonna troubleshoot. Check the time. So right now, so the NTP server is not running. So we need to check for this one why the NTP server is not running, because we need the NTP server. Yes, time zone. Okay. They don't have gonna install the chronic. Chronic is chronic. Okay, so this is our time zone. Asia Manila. We have removed the server time. Okay. So we're gonna check our NTP server. Okay, we need to now and on boot. So you can change your NTP server also if you want. Right now, I will use that for as default. Okay. F10 to accept the changes. F10. Continue. Okay. As you can see, you can use your local times. You're gonna do the PST time. This one. Gonna run it. Run. Okay. So NTP server are now active. Let me check the Asterisk server if it's running fine. Yeah, as you can see, Asterisk is not running. Service Asterisk is start. Let's check. Then gonna to check the status. Yeah, it's running now. Let me check the daddy. This is for the voice. Or okay, study is running. Then gonna check our CLI. So it means okay, it's working. Okay, so let's check our server here. It means it's now all green and all are synced. Okay, so it's working fine now. So seems it's working. So we have successfully installed our server using the Contabo. Okay, using the Contabo VPS with the 6.99 per month only. You have already for virtual CPU for 8 GB of RAM, good for 3 to 5 agents only with minimal dial level. Or okay. So once again, guys, hope you have you get some truth or basic knowledge on my videos right now. So don't forget to like and share, click the subscribe button and notification bell so that you're always updated on our latest video, and kindly share it so that you can help me to grow our channel and we can create more videos. And also, if you want to get or start your hosting your dialer or any telephony IP, or like the Magnus Billing, Fusion PBX, Free PBX, and other PA PBX, so you can use Contabo Cloud VPS server. Okay, so for Contabo, they have for example, you select the Contabo is the Germany. So this is the main data center in the Germany, and this is a new data center late 2021 or 2020. They added other country like United States and also Singapore. Okay, so if choose European, so you have a monthly and one-time setup fee, but this is your monthly. So for the US, the 8.2 because they have I don't think much. This is location fee, I think, this one. And we also have Singapore. Your monthly is 9.99 USD. So this is the images, the standard images for Contabo. Okay, half-time panel, so you can use dump, webmin and dump, webmin, etc., etc. Okay, and also you can get their backup space, manage server, full monitoring, and SSL. Okay guys, so I think this is the tutorial for the if you want to buy your cloud VPS from Contabo, you will see the link below. Just click the link below and use them for purchasing your VPS server, and hope you enjoy our video for today. And thank you guys, and thank you for following and support my videos, and thank you and have a nice day. God bless guys. Bye bye.